Hello, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your old emails to Gmail. Whether you're moving to a new Gmail account or just consolidating multiple inboxes, this step-by-step guide will help you make the transition smooth and hassle-free. First, log into your new Gmail account. This is where all your old emails will be imported, so make sure you're in the correct account. Once you're in, look toward the gear icon in the upper right corner of your Gmail interface and click on it. Then select See All Settings from the drop-down menu. This will open the full settings page where we'll manage email imports. Next, navigate to the Accounts and Import tab. Scroll down to the section labeled Check Mail from Other Accounts and click on Add a Mail Account. A pop-up window will appear prompting you to enter the email address from which you want to import emails. Type in your old Gmail address and click Next. You'll now be given some options. Choose Import Emails from My Other Account, POP3. This allows Gmail to securely fetch emails from your old account. Enter your old Gmail address again as your username and provide your password. If your old account has two-step verification enabled, make sure to generate an app password to use here. Next, enter the POP server details, pop.gmail.com for the server and 995 for the port. Make sure to check the box for Always Use a Secure Connection, SSL. To keep your email safe during transfer. You'll also see additional options like leaving a copy of emails on the original server, helpful if you want to keep your old account intact. You can also apply a label to imported messages to easily identify them in your inbox. Finally, click Add Account and Gmail will start fetching emails from your old account. Depending on how many emails you have, this process may take a little time, so be patient and let Gmail do the work. And that's it. You've successfully set up your Gmail account to import old emails, making your inbox organized and your transition seamless. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials on Gmail and other digital tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.